Hello dear students, welcome back to our social studies class. In previous session we have studied about the early humans and sources that tells us about the early humans. Today we are going to focus on meaning of evolution, the Stone Age, the Paleolithic Age or the Old Stone Age, then tools, shelters, cave paintings, fossils, and the life of the hunter-gatherer. Now let's see the meaning of the evolution. The story of evolution helps us to understand that human beings evolved from the ape family. Ape means monkey. Around 60 million years ago, the apes, the monkeys, appeared on the earth. These apes slowly developed into human beings. This slow development of human beings from apes to the modern people is called evolution. Scientists have classified hominids into three distinct categories. First, Homo habilis, the first to make tools of stone. Second, Homo erectus, the first to stand upright and use fire. Third, Homo sapiens, the thinking people. Now let's see the Stone Age. The Stone Age is the period in history when human beings used various kinds of tools made of stone. The period can be divided into four. First, the Paleolithic or the Old Stone Age. Second, the Mesolithic or the Middle Stone Age. Third, the Neolithic or the New Stone Age. Fourth, the Chalcolithic or the Stone Copper Age. Now let's see the first, the Paleolithic Age or the Old Stone Age. Early humans who lived during this period ate fruits and roots. They killed animals with their stone weapons and ate their flesh. They were known as hunter-gatherers because they lived by hunting animals and gathering plants and fruits to eat. However, they faced two major problems. First, many animals ran faster than the early humans. Second, it was dangerous to get too close to the animals as they attacked the early human beings, often killing or injuring them. Now let's see the tools. The hunter-gatherers discovered a stone called flint. Flint stone could be easily shaped and was used to make sharp objects. They made knives, spears, arrowheads, axes, and harpoons with flint and other stones. These tools were used for hunting animals, cutting meat, fish, digging, and even sieving. Shelters. People living in the Stone Age did not have houses as we have now. So, they lived on trees to protect themselves from wild animals. Sometimes they made houses with animal skins. To protect themselves from the sun, cold, and rain, the early humans took shelter in rock caves. Next, cave paintings. Early human beings made paintings and drawings on the walls of the caves they lived in, possibly as a form of recreation. Most of these show images of hunting. Archaeologists believe that these paintings may have had some religious significance. Now let's see the fossils. We can also study the bones and skeletons of these early people to know them better. The traces of prehistoric bones, skeletons, animal and plant remains preserved in rocks are called fossils. Next, the life of the hunter-gatherer. The life of hunter-gatherer was difficult. They led a nomadic life, moving from one place to another in search of food and water. They hunted animals and ate berries, nuts, and fruits. They wore clothes made of leaves and animal skins. The discovery and use of fire changed the lives of people in many ways. First, lightning set dry woods on fire. Second, occurrence of a forest fire. Third, sparks from stone tools that were being made. Fire helped the early humans in many ways. First, fire could keep people warm. Fire protected them from wild animals. Food cooked on fire was softer and tastier. And the last, fire lit up the dark caves at night. Now let's see the recapitulation what we have learnt today. Today we have learnt evolution of human beings, the Stone Age. In that we have discussed first the Paleolithic Age or the Old Stone Age, then tools, shelters, cave paintings, fossils, and the last life of the hunter-gatherers. Thank you, students.